The financial year ends on 30 June, and most founders I speak to right now are in one of two camps. Camp 1, they hand everything to their accountant and they are waiting. They have no idea what the year looked like, whether the numbers are right or what they are walking into in July. Camp 2, they are somewhat aware that they should be doing something before year end, but they are not quite sure what that something is. If you feel that you are in either of these two camps, stay with me, because in the next few minutes I'm going to walk you through 5 things every service-based founder should know about their business before 30 June. Don't worry, there won't be any accounting jargon or compliance checklists. I just want to share practical things that will change how you prepare for closing this year and how you start the next one. I am Julianna and I work with service-based founders every day, helping them understand their numbers and use those numbers to make better decisions in their business. And what I see is that many founders don't know what to look at, what it means, or what to do with it. So that is what I am here to help with. Let me tell you a bit more about it. But before I do, a quick note. I'm running a 90-minute live online workshop in June called Finish Strong. It is specifically for service-based founders who want to close the 2026 financial year properly and start the new year with clarity around their numbers so that they can make plans for the new year with confidence. And if you register your interest today, you will get instant access to the Cash Flow Confidence Calculator, which is a free tool that shows you exactly where your business stands this month, your cash position, and how long your money will last at your current rate, and also what to focus on before the end of June. The link to register is in the description and also in my bio on Instagram, but if you message me, I will send it to you directly. Now let us get into the 5 things. Number 1. Know your actual cash position, not your bank balance, but your actual cash position. Your bank balance shows you what is sitting in the account right now. Your cash position shows you what is actually available after you account for committed expenses, upcoming bills, and tax obligations. These are 2 very different numbers, and making decisions based on your bank balance without understanding what is actually happening in the business is one of the most common reasons founders feel like things are tighter than expected, even in a good revenue month. Before 30 June, sit down and work out what is actually available. The Cash Flow Confidence Calculator does this for you in about 5 minutes. Number 2, know whether your numbers are actually accurate. This one surprises people. Your bookkeeper, if you have one, is doing their job. Your accountant will file your tax return. But are your numbers actually right? Are all your income and expenses coded correctly? Are there transactions sitting uncategorized? Are there invoices marked as paid that have not actually been collected? An inaccurate set of books does not just cause problem at tax time. It means that every decision you make based on those numbers about pricing, about hiring, about spending is based on information that is not quite right. So before the 30th of June, do a basic sense check. Does the picture your reports are painting match the reality of what you have experienced this year? If something feels off, it probably is. Number 3, know what you can still claim. Before the financial year closes, you have an opportunity to make sure that you have captured everything you are entitled to claim. Think about software subscriptions, professional development, home office expenses, travel, equipment, and so on. Have you recorded everything? Have you checked your personal credit card statements for business expenses that might have slipped through? And I don't mean find anything and everything for the sake of deductions, but make sure that you are not leaving money on the table because you were too busy to check. Number 4, know your year-on-year performance. A lot of founders skip this. So pull up your profit and loss statement for this year and last year side by side. Look at the revenue, profit margin, cash flow, what went up, what went down. What does that tell you about where the business is heading? You can use 12 months of real data to make smarter decisions going forward. Most founders walk into the new financial year with the same assumptions they had 12 months ago without ever checking whether those assumptions are still true. And I can tell you that your numbers will tell you if they are. Number 5, know your starting position for the new financial year. This is the one that changes everything. A lot of founders start July with no clear picture of where they stand. They are reactive from day one, chasing the same problems, making the same guesses, feeling the same anxiety about whether things are okay. What if instead you walked into July knowing your cash position, your margin, what you are carrying forward, and what the next 90 days need to look like? And that is the difference between starting the year in catch-up mode and starting it with a plan. Now, those 5 things are exactly what we are going to work through together in Finish Strong. I know what you might be thinking. I can download the end of financial year checklist from your website. Why would I need the workshop? Great question. The checklist is a brilliant starting point, and yes, it is on my website completely free, but the workshop is where we actually go through the most important steps together in plain English, in real time, with the specific focus that a service-based founder needs. Not everything on the general checklist applies to your business. In the workshop, we cut through what matters. I show you exactly what to look at, how to read what you are seeing, and what to do if something is not right. And you leave with a clear picture of where you stand and what the new financial year looks like for you specifically. It is around 90 minutes, it's going to be $49, and it is happening mid-June, so the timing is perfect. When you register your interest, you get instant access to the cash flow confidence calculator straight away, so you can start getting that clarity right now before we even get to the workshop. The link to register is in the description and also in my bio on Instagram, and I would love to see you there.